Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited that we are going to start a brand new series and hoping that you are also excited. Before starting this video, I just want to let you know that we have completed HTML and CSS series as well as we did few projects on that as well. So if you haven't checked it already, go ahead, link in the description, check that out. And now let's get into the video. Yes. So let's see what is JavaScript first. JavaScript is a high level interpreted programming language which is mostly used for front end and back end technologies. Interpreted means the code or the script we can say it will run in line by line in JavaScript. And let's see where and why we should be using JavaScript. Okay. So here we can see JavaScript mostly used for scripting within web browser to enhance the interactivity and dynamic behavior of web pages. It means we generally have a normal HTML and CSS, but if we have a button and we want to do something on click on that, if you click on the button, it should do something. That interactivity, if we want to get it, we can do with the JavaScript. And dynamic behavior, we can do something like on a button click we can change the data on HTML or any page in the web browser. Okay, that we can do. And the next point we can see it allows developer to manipulate DOM is a very important topic in JavaScript. It is called as document object module of a web page, so that also we can manipulate using JavaScript. Now let's see who have developed the JavaScript language. So in the next slide, we can see JavaScript was developed by Brandon H. and it was developed in 10 days in May 1995. And you might think of Java programming language and JavaScript is similar, but no, there is no direct relationship between Java and JavaScript. Both are different. The name which is given to JavaScript as taken from the Java because of only marketing strategy, nothing else. There is no common similarities or direct relation between both the languages. Now let's see some of the key features of JavaScript. Here on the next slide, we can see there are 5 key features we have for JavaScript. First is client-side scripting. Second, we can see cross-platform. Third, we have asynchronous programming. Fourth, we have libraries and framework support. And lastly, we have ECMA Script. So now let's see what are these things. Okay. Yes. So client-side scripting. So what we can see for the client-side scripting is JavaScript is primarily used for client-side scripting in a web browser, and it will run in browser. We can see, and using this we can manipulate the DOM objects as well in HTML pages or applications. Yes. So cross-platform. So cross-platform, we can say it as we have application, HTML application, and we are writing the scripts in that JavaScript scripts. And once you open in one browser, it will run the same. And similar to that, if you run into the other browser, it will going to run the same. So here in the cross-platform, JavaScript supports in every browser and every OS operating systems as well. Yes, asynchronous programming. JavaScript supports asynchronous programming and it can run multiple tasks at the same time without interrupting the current execution code. Libraries and frameworks. There are many libraries and frameworks which are built in top of JavaScript. Example, we can say some of the most popular frameworks and libraries. First, we have React.js. Second, we can say Angular and Vue and etc. So these are the libraries and frameworks which are built in top of JavaScript. Yes, ECMAScript. It is a most important feature of JavaScript because JavaScript standardization through ECMAScript specification, which defines the language features and capabilities. These standards, or we can say rules as well, will be there in every browser engines as a blueprint of it. So different browser will have different blueprints. So let's look at it. What are those? Okay. Yes, on my screen we can see some of the most popular browsers. We can see Chrome having V8 engine and Microsoft Edge is having Chakra, and Mozilla Firefox we have as Spider Monkey, and Safari and macOS having JavaScript core. So ECMA Script standardization or set of rules which defines how JavaScript will work will be stored in each engine as a blueprint of it. Now let's know a little about ECMA Script. So ECMA Script is actually launched in 1997, but here's the question: why we need ECMA Script? I know it's like a standardization or set of rules which is defining how JavaScript will work in a browser. But earlier at the time when JavaScript launched in 1995, that time also JavaScript is working in every browser. But why we need ECMA Script? That's the main important question. So the reason why we need is earlier to this ECMAScript launch. So every browser is having their own set of rules to define how JavaScript works in browser. So here is the thing will going to happen. Okay, one browser is there is having some set of rules, and some other browser is there having some other rules. So if you have an application and you have created in Chrome, and you want to run into Mozilla or Microsoft Edge, because of that reason their rules are different and it will not going to work as expected. So because of this reason the ECMA script is created, and it's created for having same set of rules in every browser to give cross-platform capability to JavaScript. So this is the reason ECMA script is launched, and because of that JavaScript got the cross-platform functionality or capability. Yes. So this is it about JavaScript introduction. We saw what is JavaScript, why and where to use, and some of the key features about JavaScript, and as well as the ECMA script we got to know, and also Chrome engines we got to know what are the different Chrome engines we are having for different browsers as well. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and give it a like. I'll be back with more content in the next video. Thank you.